Smarter cleaning, less hassle. Tired of tedious cleaning routines? The Roomba J7 Plus is here to redefine home cleaning. Equipped with precision vision navigation, it expertly avoids obstacles like pet waste and socks, ensuring your floors are spotless without lifting a finger. Welcome to a smarter, cleaner home. Say goodbye to manual vacuum hassles. The J7 Plus combines 10x powerlifting suction with dual multi-surface brushes, efficiently tackling dirt and debris on all floor types. Plus, with Imprint Smart Mapping, schedule cleanings for specific rooms right from iRobot's home app. Forget vacuuming for months, literally. This self-emptying robot stashes dust in its enclosed bag for up to 60 days. No mess, no fuss. Integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant makes spot cleaning as simple as telling it where to go. Pets? Shoes? Cords? No problem. iRobot's Pet Owner Official Promise, POOP, guarantees it dodges pet accidents or replaces your device free of charge. Personalized cleaning suggestions ensure it adapts to your family's habits and messiest moments. Ready for next-level convenience? The Roomba J7 Plus doesn't just clean, it anticipates your needs, letting you focus on life, not chores. Explore smarter and stress-free living. Grab yours now on Amazon for $349.99 while stocks last. Discover the Roomba J7 Plus.